Hi guys, it's me, Chelsea, creator of Blissfully Bubbly, the wellness and lifestyle blog. Today I wanted to do a quick product review for you on a new product that I have been using a lot of, and I want to share with you my experience. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is the Isles of Paradise self-tanning drops. And let me tell you a little bit about why I chose this product. So the reason why I chose this product is because it is all natural, organic, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. I obviously am very fair and need some help in the tanning department. So pretty much I saw this on another blogger's website and she had mentioned it and ranted and raved about how great it was. So I was like, great, I'm gonna give it a shot because I did not like using St. Tropez self tanner. I've only also used, I want to say it was called $1 Million Tan, and that was like a tanning lotion, and I did like that more than the St. Tropez, but it was expensive and it was hard to come by and it was a little bit messy. So this actually was great. Let me tell you a little bit about where I got it. So I got it off of Beauty Bay. If you use Beauty Bay, the price is going to be way cheaper. It's about $36 with shipping if you use Beauty Bay. If you try using Amazon.com, you can find it on there, but it's way more expensive. It's like $54 or $55 last time I checked. And yeah, you'll get it quicker, but I don't want to pay an extra like 20 bucks just to get it quicker. Beauty Bay, it took like a week and a half to get, but it arrived and it was awesome. So now let me tell you about how you use it. So pretty much this is a self-tanning drop. It itself is a liquid solution, and you pretty much use it by opening the dropper, and in it, it's like this little liquid, and you just use the dropper. And pretty much what you do is you take lotion, any kind of lotion. I use Everyone's lotion, which is an all-natural organic plant-based with essential oil lotion from Amazon, and it comes in a nice big jug, and I use that one because I like the organic natural products. I pretty much will pump that into my hand depending on the body part, however much, and then if I'm putting this on my face, I only use 2 drops, and that will give my face a nice light glow and tan. Doesn't look orange, so it's a nice deep looking tan. And I'll do 2 drops for my face, and then I'll do 3 drops, I think is my magic number for my body. And pretty much what you do is you just take the little dropper and you drop however many drops you need onto the lotion that's on your hand, and then you mix the combination together, and then you just immediately apply it to your body. So it's super easy to use. You don't have to worry. You should exfoliate before you use it, but you don't have to worry about like pre-lotioning all your hands and feet like you do with normal self tanners, because you're going to be using a lotion to put it on. So pretty much you rub it in, you let the lotion dry, and then you put on your clothes and you forget about it. It has a slight smell to it, not like a bad smell, but like a self tanner smell. So like that coconutty, like it smells like you might have like sun tanning lotion on. I don't particularly love that smell because I don't like tanning. So I do it on my days off. I only let it develop for about like 3 to 4 hours, and then I shower. If I want it to be a deeper tan, I noticed the one time I left it on for 8 hours and it developed much darker, but I also did use about 6 drops that time, which was way too dark for me. I like to keep it like a nice light glow. And so that pretty much is how you use the product. Try and stand on wood or something where you can wipe up the surface. If you get it on carpet or anything like that, it will also develop onto the carpet and it will stain the carpet. So make sure you wipe it up right away. And then as for towels, well, I'll get into that after. I'll do a pros and cons section for you guys. Anyway, so let's tell you about my experience with it. So my experience with this was a little bit of a rocky road. The first and second time I used it, I hated it. I didn't like it at all. And that was mainly because I was probably using it wrong. The first time I used it, I put way too much on, and it was a good tan. I mean, it wasn't orange, it was a nice deep tan, but it was way too tan for me. I'm naturally really, really fair, obviously, and it was just way too tan. And that was with 6 drops, maybe 8. I went a little crazy with it. It faded after about a couple days with like some deep exfoliation. It was fine. And then the second time I used it, my face broke out really bad. And I was like, it's probably the product that's breaking me out. And I didn't want to use it again because I had a really bad breakout that time. But it was also a stressful week at work, so who knows if it was that or the product. And then so I decided I'm going to use it again for a third time and just see, perhaps they'll be a lot better. And it was. I only used 2 drops on my face, 3 drops on my body, so I made sure I cut back on how much I was using. It created a perfect, gorgeous, glowing tan, something subtle, whereas if, like, say I wanted to reapply it in like another 2 days or something, it would have probably built up and it would have looked much more natural. And yeah, my face didn't break out. The main thing that I realized that I had to do is I wasn't washing my makeup brushes enough. It had been a couple of weeks before I had washed them, and that was probably why my face broke out, because after I used it again and since then my face has been perfectly clean, so my makeup brushes were probably the reason why I broke out the first time. So let me jump into the pros of the product. So the pros is it is super convenient, easy to get on Beauty Bay. It's relatively cheap for this whole bottle. It was only $36. It's gonna last a long time. So it's only down to here, and that's with me tanning my whole body now 3 times. So I could get this a lot more use out of this. It's super quick to apply. It's not a pain in the butt because because it's a lotion, it like smooths into your skin really easily. It didn't make blotches or like certain weird developing spots, which is cool. I didn't have to like spend a lot of time prepping my skin like you do with other self tanners, so that was really awesome. It dried really quick, as long as you have a lotion that dries really quick, which is good. It didn't transfer to any of my clothes. It didn't transfer to my Stark White comforter. Yeah. So those would be all the pros of the product. Oh, well, and it gave a really good, nice glowing tan. The cons. The cons of the product are I love all white decor, as you can tell, and I also like all white towels in my bathroom. And I noticed on the second and the third day after I used the tanner, if I rubbed my skin vigorously, like with my super white towels, some of it, like the tanning product, transferred. So it wasn't like a lot. It wasn't like, oh my god, my towel is brown and tan now. It was just enough where I had noticed it had transferred a little bit. But I bleach all my towels because they're stark white and I love bleach, and it came right out. So it didn't stain them. It just, I noticed it transferred a little bit. Another con for me would be the smell. I don't love the smell of self tanners, though this is a pleasant one. This is much better than any of the other ones I have tried. It's not super perfumey, it's not coconutty, it's just like, smells like you went to lay out in the sun and you put some suntan lotion on. As soon as you rinse off and wash your body, the smell goes away. I noticed if I put on clothes when I have it developing, those clothes will also smell like the suntan lotion smell, so I have to make sure you wash those before you, don't put them back on to lounge in or something, because they'll smell still. And that would be really the only con, because it didn't break me out, even though I at first thought it did. I didn't get a rash, even though I have extremely sensitive skin. The tan lasted for a good amount of time. I would say if I do a light tan, it lasts for about 5 days, but you can build this up. So I think what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to tan one day, 2 days off, and then put it again so that it kind of like builds and creates a nice like even built up tan. And I'm pretty much just going to do that for spring and summer because I don't mind being super fair in winter. But I am planning to go on some beach and resort vacations, and I don't want to scare people with my Casper skin. So pretty much that's it. It was a great product and a good experience. Another thing about it is you can get it in different kind of tones. So it comes in, I got the medium, but it also comes in light and it comes in dark. So depending on which one you like, medium was perfect for my skin. As you can tell, I'm really fair, but it helped at least show some results. I was afraid if I got the light one, it wouldn't tan me enough, but I don't know because I never tried. And then the dark, I was like, no, it would be way too dark. So anyway, the medium works perfect for my skin tone, but you guys can try out other ones and see how they go. So pretty much that was my experience with the Isles of Paradise. I would give it a double thumbs up. I thought it was a good product. And next up, I'm going to be doing some more product reviews of some all natural organic products. But if you guys want to see some currently, you can always check out blissfullybubbly.com. See more.